If the voltage is at the terminal block checked OK, but the dryer still doesn't start, the next part that you need to check is the door switch. You don't need electricity to check this part, so disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. You will need to open the door on the dryer to be able to see the door switch actuator. The door switch actuator should click when you push it in and click when you let it out. If it doesn't click when you push it in and doesn't click when you let it out, the switch is bad and you need to replace it. If you don't see the door switch actuator when you open the door switch is broken and you need to replace it. To replace the door switch, you need to open the top panel. To open the top panel, you need to remove the lint filter and the two holding screws. Be careful so you don't lose the screws down the hole of the lint filter. Use a flat screwdriver like this to open the top panel. And lean the top panel against the wall. Pull out the door switch wire harness and use a flat screwdriver to disconnect the door switch wires from the wire harness. Set your multimeter on the scale to read for continuity. To make sure that the meter is working, put the two test probes together like this. If the meter is working okay, it should make a sound like this, and it should read 0 ohms. And when you separate the probes, it should stop making a sound and it should return to infinity. With the dryer door closed, you need to take a reading between these two terminals in the door switch wire harness. If the multimeter is beeping and the reading is 0 ohms, the door switch is good. If the multimeter doesn't beep and the reading is infinity, the door switch is bad and you need to replace it. To replace the switch, remove the two holding screws. And remove the bad switch. Put the new switch in place and secure it with the two screws. Connect the door switch to the wire harness. Lower the top panel and snap it in place. Secure the lint filter housing with the two screws. And install the lint filter. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet and try it to see if it works now. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Click on the center link to see my latest video, or click on my website link to see all the videos according to the problem that you may be having with your washer or dryer. This is the Appliance Man signing out. See you next time.